What is up? RJ here in Columbus. I got Roddy back there. We just got done walking probably like 4 or 5 houses today. Some interesting house stock we came across on that last one, wasn't it?
Oh yeah.
But hey, so today was a really good training day and opportunity for us because we have a lot of changes happening in our construction department, and specifically in like how we're rehabbing and how we are going after houses on the front end, because we're going to be keeping them on the back end for our buy and hold portfolio. But I had an interesting day today. It was awesome. Went through, like I said, 4 or 5 houses and did scopes and an estimate there pretty much on the spot, which normally it would take people a long time to do that, especially if you don't have the experience that this guy has in construction. But anyways, it was awesome training. Appreciate that. Looking forward to kind of working with you here some more while I'm kind of like your ears and eyes on the ground over here in Columbus. So I appreciate you and the Rehab Depot for helping me out.
Oh, are you telling them what's going to happen?
No, go ahead, dude.
Oh no, man.
It's a secret, man.
That's
Can't. There's too many big things happening, but I'll keep you guys updated. Definitely check him out. He's the legendary Flipper on Instagram. So we'll be doing more videos, kind of putting it out there for the cash flow community on what kind of things you should be looking at up front when you're acquiring these homes, and especially if you're going to be in property management and you're going to rent these out. There's a certain eye and stuff that you need to know that you're going to learn from this guy in these next few videos.
Game time.
See ya.